Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn 8 Dinka words today. I'm William. Let us begin. Dinka. 1. Apat. Apat. Apat mean nice. Arach. Arach. Arach mean bad. Bye. Bye. Bye mean home. Bit. Bit. It. Bit mean spear. Abar. Abar mean orphan. Abar. Abar, orphan. Liok. Liok mean heartworm. Bandit. Bandit mean what, guys? Write it in the comment section here. Bandit mean what? Mean sheep, or mean sultan, or mean president. I don't know. It's your homework, guys. Just write it for me. Bandit. Caro. Caro mean two. For example, coach caro. Coach caro mean two people. Like caro. Two animals. Ok caro. Two cows. A torcaro. Two books. Diar caro mean two women. Yeah, that is it, guys. So, and let me do a short recap. Apat. Arach. Bye. Bit. Abar. Liok. Bandit. Caro. Coach caro. Two people. Okay, guys. Bye for now, and please like, follow, and be part of this Dinka learning families. I'm William. Bye for now. Dornali kewe kuyania. The long video is in YouTube. Please go and watch it in YouTube, and you will get to understand it more. Thank you very much. God bless you guys. Bye.